How to pay credit card bill through HDFC NetBanking. First of all, open your browser and visit the official HDFC Bank website at hdfcbank.com. Hover over the login button and select Net Banking from the drop-down menu. Log in using your customer ID and password. Once logged in, go to the top menu and click on Cards. Now, click on the Transact menu from the left sidebar. Then select Credit Card Payment and you will see 3 steps. In the Select Payment Type section, choose your card and hit Continue. Next, on the following page, select your bank account number. Then in the card number option, select your card. Your card details will appear along with the box to enter the amount. Enter the amount you want to pay towards your credit card bill. You can pay the last statement balance, minimum amount due, or any other amount you prefer. After entering the amount, hit Continue. On the next page, review all the details carefully to make sure everything is correct. Then hit Confirm. Now, the transaction will be completed. And that's it. Now you know how to pay your credit card bill through HDFC NetBanking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more banking tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.